Hi, my name is Ernie. I am here to perform an interview with an informant who I can tell you is a teacher. Let me introduce you. This is Miss Nanda. She is one of my colleagues and she is teaching English and private courses.
Okay, thank you for your introduction, Miss Ernie. And hi, my name is Nanda, and yes, I am a teacher at private courses.
Okay, Miss Nanda, I am gonna asking you some question about English. Do you mind to spare a minute or so?
Yeah, I won't mind, Miss Ernie. And what are the questions?
Okay, the first question. In your opinion, how important the ability to speak English for Indonesian society today? And what are the benefits that can be achieved?
For me, now it's extremely important by understanding English well, because it's makes easier to us to find connections. Like the common example is jobs. It is hard to find jobs these days, and one of the requirements is you must at least good in elementary school levels.
Okay, thank you. Next question. In your perspective, how is English in media use and entertainment in Indonesia? Does it have any impact on the development of Indonesia language and culture?
Okay, that's it. Good questions. Yes, there are impacts for our Indonesian language and culture, and there are pros and cons. And the pros are we may get to learn English way easier by reading, watching, or listening anything in English, like listening music, watching movies, or even reading books, novels, or poems like that. And you get to obtain new vocabulary with it. But the cons are maybe we as Indonesians sometimes not liking it using Indonesian anymore. Like we frequently use English as our daily conversations. That is bad. Yeah.
Okay, next question. In your opinion, what are the factors that make someone successful in learning English? And do you motivated student to study harder?
Um, what are the factors that make someone successful in learning English, and how am I fed? Okay. By their passions and their willingness to learn, and we as teacher to how to motivate them is we encourage them to do more, even when they make mistakes. We told them like it is okay to make a mistake, because by making mistakes we learn that maybe we by making mistakes is making perfect to learn. Like we knew something or some words are bad or wrong, and then the next day or maybe the next chapter we already know that the words are wrong. So yeah, like people say, practice makes perfect.
Uh, okay, we may move to the next question. In your
Okay.
in your opinion, what are the factor influence the success of learning a foreign language in Indonesia? Are the significant differences with other countries?
um wait the key, yeah, there are. key factors include proximity to other countries and cultural perceptions, immersion opportunities. They are way, there are more than that. And proximity to other countries, like in Europe, for example, are often multilingual due to their proximity to various language-speaking regions. And in Indonesia, language diversity is high, but not in the same way as in Europe, where daily exposure to different language is common. This can make learning a foreign language less of necessity in Indonesia compared to Europe. And like I said, in cultural perception, in many Western countries, there's often more of cultural approach to learn languages beyond English, particularly for personal development or travel. In Indonesia, English is seen as the key language for global interactions, which can lead us to less enthusiasm for learning other languages unless there's a clear economic or social benefit in it. And the last one is in immersion of on opportunities, countries where there's easy access to travel or where language immersion programs are abundant, like in maybe in US, Canada, or parts of Europe. It's tend to have learners who are more proficient in foreign languages. But in here, Indonesia, opportunities for immersion like that are often limited to specific regions. And the overall exposure to native speakers may not be as widespread. And for also, Marie, there are three factors I mentioned. While the factors that influence language learning are similar across countries, Indonesia is a unique blend of cultural, economic, and infrastructural factors can impact the success of foreign language learning in ways that may differ from countries with more immersive or linguistically diverse environments. That is quite a long answer for me. I'm sorry. Next question, Miss.
Okay, finally we got to the next question.
Okay.
What are the hopes for the development of foreign language learning in Indonesia in my future?
Um. Well, I constantly hope we could learn more about other languages, not to leave Indonesians our mother language behind, but it's like I said before in the the questions, like it's not for our daily basis. It's just for formal connection to find easier to find job easier, or maybe for have a meaningful connection with another colleagues in the future. That is all. Thank you.
Okay, that is all the question I need to ask. And thank you for your time, Miss Nanda.
Yep. My pleasure, Miss Ernie.
Thank you, and hopefully this is interview is useful for anyone who hear it. See you again. Bye bye.
Bye. Thank you.